Let's face it, mental health care in the United States is bad. Here's the issue. Medical providers have given up on figuring out why people are so unhappy and how to fix it, meaning they are not looking for the root cause for mental health care and the problems they provide. Instead, we are seeing doctors diagnosing patients on lists of symptoms that do not require any testing at all. Then they use these diagnoses to pretend that this explains why people are upset. For example, major depression. To get this diagnosis, you need 5 out of 9 symptoms. No lab test, no imaging. You just report the symptoms, and then suddenly you have a major depressive disorder. Now, most doctors simply stop there and state, well, you have depression, rather than tell you why. Why are you so depressed? Implying you have maybe some sort of brain disorder, and I think that's nonsense. Now, mental health conditions are often caused by much more than faulty brain chemistry or genetics or some kind of chemical imbalance. They just go immediately into prescribing medications and move on without addressing real issues that make people feel unwell. So, what can you do? Begin to look at your life before you just accept that you have some sort of broken brain, right? The big three main areas to pay attention to: one would be work and your career. That can cause a lot of stress. And two, relationships with friends or your romantic partner. Emotions can get the best of us. And prior trauma, the third one, prior trauma. Nobody leaves childhood unscathed, right? So all of these things can create levels of anxiety and depression for sure. Here, though, at the Healing Sanctuary, we are able to help you compartmentalize parts of your life and give you strategies and tools and skill sets to face these challenges calmly, clearly, and enable you to take back your power. So I say to you, review your diet. A poor diet is one of the most common and hidden causes of your emotional state. Doctors do not talk really about this at all. Proper hydration is key. Nutrient dense and nutrient rich foods are important. Lose that high carb diet filled with empty calories and processed foods, fast foods that spike your blood sugar, leaving you completely exhausted and mentally cloudy. Remove the inflammation out of your body caused by unhealthy foods, and you will feel 10 times better. Again, here at the Healing Sanctuary, we offer you those tools and skill sets to take back control of your life, giving you the ability to feel that you're empowered and strong to regulate yourself in your life and create self-awareness, self-care, self-healing, self-understanding, and self-respect. We share how lifestyle choices on how to do the basics, the bare basics that brings you new life. And once reestablished, we offer a system to be implemented into your life that will change the trajectory in a positive and powerful way. So the question is, are you ready for a transformation? If so, let me help you today.